Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's we're diving into Alinea Invest in 2025, breaking down everything you need to know to decide if it's worth your time and money. What is Alinea Invest? Alinea Invest is a Gen Z focused investment platform co-founded by Anam Langham and Eve Helen. Designed for young investors, especially women, the app offers thematic investing, fractional shares, and personalized financial education. It's built to be approachable, social, and values-driven. Pricing and access. Annual membership is $120 per year. The account minimum is $1. Fees 0% commission on stock and ETF trades. And what is the features? Ceramic places. Invest in curated baskets like recursion proof, climate change, or Alina All Stars. AILA, an AI-powered financial coach that offers personalized investment guidance. The next one is community and education. Access to financial literacy content, live events, and supportive investor community. What about growth and popularity? User base over 1 million users with 92% identifying as a woman and 30% as Gen Z. The revenue achieved 6 times a year-over-year revenue in 2025, in reaching a 6 million net revenue net rate. Funding raised $10 million in Series A funding from investors like Play Ventures, Y Combinator, and Gales. What are the pros and cons? Pros: user-friendly interface designed for beginners, focused on values-based investing and financial education. Strong community engagement and support. What are the cons? $120 annual fee may be a barrier for some users. Limited investment option comparing to traditional platforms. Some users have reported challenges with account closure and fund withdrawals. The final verdict: Alinea Invest is a solid choice for young, values-driven investors seeking an intuitive platform with educational resources and community support. However, the annual fee and the limited investment option may not suit everyone. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly app with a focus on financial literacy and social impact, Alina is worth considering. And thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.